If your knife is sharp, it's gonna do the job. As you can see, oh, let's take it, you know, and give it a little extra. Cut through the bone, cut through that bone. You got two pieces. That one's left over. Can use it for soup or throw it away. Make another cut, check for the joint. There's the joint. Cut through. If your knife is good, the rest is easy. Right, check for this skin. Just a tiny cut, go along, pull it down so you see that bone. Alright, go along, one thigh. You can separate this one as well, checking for the joint somewhere around here. Give it a small crack. There you go. Again, skin, just cut along like so. There's your joint. Go around, pull down. Alright, second one. Then what I like to do is, you know, just cut around this, somewhere here, break it, cut through. They're really nice in the oven. So now you just rip this one literally out, like so, cut through. Got another piece of rib cage plus throat. Okay, and then you're literally left with the breast. So what you just need to do now, you just work around the bone. Okay, go down that way, down the other way. Always feel with your finger where you're going. I of course only play with knives if you know how to handle them. Cut through the skin. There you go. About there. Go down. One chicken breast. Feel along the backbone here, right, like so. See it separating nicely. Always feel with your finger, go along the path, like so. And then whatever is the leftover, you can use that nicely for soup. And that, in a sense, you have two small nice chicken breasts, okay, carcass left, almost clean, less than a minute, done.